Today I'm going to talk to you about social media marketing, how you can benefit from social media marketing and how you can use it for your online business. So my name is Priyank Batra and welcome to Priyank.tv. If you're watching it on Facebook, like the page. If you're watching it on Instagram, follow the channel, follow the page, and you can also subscribe me on YouTube. This is what is social media. So I'm gonna show you what is social media. This is social media: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn. If you are on these channels, there is a possibility you can grab new customers. Now, what you will get from social media marketing: first, brand awareness, brand recognition, new customers, more revenue. That means it's good for your company. Let's talk 5 key points that will help your brand online. So social media marketing key points: first is vision. Whosoever is the owner of the company, he might have the vision for the company. You need to talk to you about why, what and how. Transparency. I say transparency is like, be like a mirror for your brand. Whatever you want to convey to your audience, be clear on that. Purpose. What are you solving for your customer? How you are helping them? Value. What value they are getting in terms of buying your services or your product. Now the 5th point, which is very important point, this is commitment. That's where the loyalty comes in. So if you really want to scale up your business, I'm going to show you more tips and tricks, and let's connect each other. If you want any services related to digital marketing, call me 7082696956. Let's talk about your brand.